Love this Subaru Ascent, guys. It is amazing. It comes with a built-in Garmin, CB walkie-talkie, built-in road maps wherever you want to go, fully digital, everything. This thing is amazing. Handles like it's on wheels. Look at that rear view mirror where you see digitally. Man, you will love this thing. Come on out, do a test. Out here at Hawks Outdoors today with this awesome 2020 Subaru Ascent Touring, 7-passenger, supercharged, turbocharged. It's got the awesome rims, comes with GPS navigation, built-in walkie-talkie system, wrap with special camo. You will love this thing. Come out and drive it today. The power behind it is amazing. All-wheel drive. You will love what you see. Come out today. Hawks Outdoors, 16135 College Oak Drive, San Antonio, 78249.